Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And there's one thing going on in crypto right now that makes absolutely zero sense. And most likely you guys have already seen it. But still, I have to cover this. So a little while ago, a representative from the US, Brad Sherman to be exact, he just went crazy. Let's just put it like that, very simply. He urges the SEC to go after crypto exchanges that had traded in XRP. Yeah, really, he said that. And Stuart Alderati of Ripple said, "Can I get a fact check on aisle 2, please? Rep Sherman, the US has not. In fact, no country has determined XRP to be a security. When elected officials don't understand that a mere filing of a case by the SEC doesn't determine nothing, it's more than concerning," which I will firmly agree with. Only the court can make a determination. It's called due process. And this is the pernicious effect of the SEC's regulatory, regulation by enforcement approach, harming people, markets, and American innovation with unproven allegations masquerading as a regulation. And there comes the underlying problem, the essence of the problem that's going on, which is the SEC's allegation, the SEC's lawsuit, has left a lot of exchanges and a lot of people wondering, what exactly is XRP status as of now? The status, like what is it? Is it good? Is it bad? Or is it to be determined? It's like in this little realm of, well, we're not suing the founders and whatnot for fraud. We're suing them for sales they made in the past, not for sales they're making now, because we'll allow them to sell. And the co-founder has sold in the past and has sold up to a couple of days ago. He's also fine. So people are wondering, like, okay, if that's all good, then what exactly is the problem? Well, I guess Ripple that traded XRP in the past, but also people that traded XRP in the past, but kind of not, because we're trying to protect the people. But I guess the people are also kind of suing us, so we're kind of, going against them because XP holders are trying to come on together and we're trying to protect them, but they're going in, as friends of the court to kind of go against us. It's kind of vague, Now, before we move on, guys, if you are enjoying these daily crypto videos, make sure you go down below and press that like button. It's appreciated like crazy. It helps out a ton. And also, if you're looking for an exchange to trade on, make sure you check out the first links down below. Because again, exchange to trade on, right? You need something to trade on, and I use those myself. Now, obviously, this case is not as open and shut as I left it to be a second ago, because Sherman went a little step further. Scoop, this is yesterday. Via Eleanor Tourette, House of FSC Dems member Brad Sherman tells Fox he believes the SEC will easily win its case against Ripple over the legality of its unregistered sales of XRP and has been in contact with Gary Gensler to expand the case. More at 1:40 p.m., Team Cavuto. Jeremy said, ask Sherman how he arrived at his conclusion, as both parties are under court order not to disclose evidence to third parties, such as him. Did the SEC violate court rules and provide him the evidence in this case, or is he making recommendations to Gensler without basis? Which is a very good question. Very, very good question. And always I like to come in and say, man, I really thought when the SEC sued Ripple that when the XP holders came in, they were like, we shouldn't have done this. We should have gone for an easier target. And they were just like, oh, who thought this was a good idea? Because they probably didn't expect the support. But hearing this then makes me think, no, they want to double down. Now, it's funny because I tweeted out tons of times that the SEC is out of control and that I wonder why Ethereum people, Bitcoin people, whatever, or anybody in crypto really isn't helping them too much. But take a look at Ryan Selkis. Even he put up earlier, never thought I'd say this, but here we are. Let's go Ripple. CC, Brad Garlinghouse about Selkis, Garlinghouse coming together to conclude the SEC is out of control, and Brad is coming in like, well, when I saw this tweet, like, whoa, see you at mainnet. Because it's kind of crazy if you start to think about it, right? It's crazy. One thing that I found kind of interesting was the fact that obviously the XP community went to dig deep, and they found a lot of different things about Sherman. It's actually pretty crazy, whatever they found. Brad Sherman found on the banker's payroll. People are arguing about this one right now. Whoa. Well, mostly I'm just thinking like this. Why would you do this to yourself? SEC right now trending in the US. Why are they doing this to themselves? What is this? I really wonder when you're doing some shady stuff like he is doing, why he's making himself such a big target. You got to remember, guys, the SEC does not want the XP holders to come in. A couple of minutes ago, I said that the SEC is suing Ripple for XRP sales, but every single XRP holder who's ever traded XRP is also kind of in the wrong. So the XP holders kind of came in to say, no, we don't think so, but the SEC is protecting them, yet they don't want them to intervene and to help the court out to make the proper decisions, which is still kind of interesting. I still don't fully understand exactly how that's supposed to work. But regarding the case, we also had one slight little update here. I'm going to quickly check it out. Judge Netburn has ruled on the dispute regarding the SEC's answers to the Ripple defendant's fourth set of requests for admission. The original letter motion and the court ruling are below. And Fred, this was essentially a total loss for the SEC. It has officially lost credibility for every motion it files and every hearing it attends from here on out. It will start 2-3 steps behind Ripple, and most toss-up issues will go against it. That's because the SEC tried to pull a fast one, a quick little one on the judge by saying, hey, we never said that. No, we didn't do it. The judge was like, oh, I caught you, They caught her. They caught. the judge caught the SEC. Let's just put it like that. So yeah, things are looking pretty damn good for Ripple in that sense. In the case, longer term, guys, I still believe Ripple is going to win 1,001%. Again, it's not a fact. It's not as if you can just guarantee, I can guarantee it for you or anything. No. But I personally think, right, I'm pretty convinced myself. A lot of this stuff just makes absolutely no sense. The rabbit hole just keeps getting deeper and deeper and deeper. I think it's laughingly bad, And let's just say it like this, I'm pretty damn excited for the near future regarding XRP because I know the partnership is going to keep on climbing. And I think from now forward, the switch might have been flipped where a lot of these people who were earlier thinking, screw Ripple, yada, 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 are now starting to maybe turn back around thinking, wait a minute. They're going after crypto for real because this makes no sense. Even if XRP turns out to be a security. Right now it isn't. So how can a representative say, oh, let's go after exchanges that traded XRP? Were the exchanges in the wrong for doing that when there was no rules on it just quite yet? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't see any reason why they should be in the wrong. But yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll definitely see you guys again in another crypto video later today. Thank you very much for watching.